mientras el mundo ardía, fumando sueños que se desvanecían. Tu voz me acariciaba el alma, pero tus ojos ya no me veían. Jugábamos a ser eternos y de pronto tu amor ya no era mío. Usaste nuestras canciones con ella, tocaste la guitarra solo para su piel. Y yo aquí, con tu púa colgada en el cuello, como si todavía fueras mi dueño. La amaste a ella, mientras yo me quemaba viva por volver a escuchar tu risa. Cada te amo fue una puñalada que yo misma me curaba, y aún así te habría dado todo, aunque ya solo quedaran las cenizas de lo que fuimos, de lo que...
Shara! Shara! Zo! I go need this later. Carry am come.
Just can't accept it. This can't be the end yet. You promised to never leave, and now you're gone. Can't believe I can feel the world slipping away as you slowly fade from my everyday. You promised forever a love without end, but now I'm left broken, struggling to mend. I thought we were so tied, destined for a lifetime. Love with no end, love with no end. Staying in my imagination, memorizing the past time, the secrets, the love, the care. Now they're echoes in the air. I still see your face in every place, feel your warmth, your gentle grace. But now there's just an empty space, and I'm lost in this endless chase, keeping you in my heart, a piece of you I'll never let go. Though distance brings separation, in my heart you'll always glow. I just can't say goodbye, no matter how hard I try. A bond like ours, so deep and true, will always be if you stay or no. I thought we were so tied, destined for a lifetime. Love with no end, love with no end.
Basically, we are heading to the kitchen as usual. Cook, eat, and sleep. Rest, rest, rest. Because tomorrow, work, work, work. So we need that rest, okay? Let me sip more of this. I love this. I love this drink so, so much. start eating before I recorded this. So guys, pardon me because I was super famished and hungry. So the rice is ready, and as you can see, the small creatures that I used. Then you guys ask me, where is my kunu drink? I finished it before the food, oh, before the food will arrive. I've already finished the drink, so it's not my fault, sha. So guys, bon appetit. Come join me. Let's devour this delicious jollof rice.